Hi, I'm Sara Vetter,
I'm Lynne Twist.
and we're excited to be offering a live 5-week course called Peace and Freedom with Money and Life. Begins May 14th, which is a Thursday, for 5 weeks in a row, and the registration closes on May 8th. So I've been sheltering at home here with the Twists, and very excited about what we're cooking up in the office. It's just it just thrills me that we have the opportunity to do this. And Lynne, I'd like to ask you, what are people going to get out of this?
Well, first of all, I think it's a really important time for all of us. We will never forget these months of being sheltered in place, and we will never forget the crash of our economic system. And so our course is very, very relevant to the times we're living in. No matter where you are in the economic spectrum, we're going to talk to you about how to stay out of the fear of scarcity. You know, there's real scarcity, honest to God scarcity, but then there's also a mindset of scarcity that drives us to make decisions that aren't healthy for us, financially and in every other way. We'll talk about flow of life, flow of money. We'll actually unpack what it means to be prosperous, really prosperous. So this is going to be a very important course for us, and hopefully for you, those of you who choose to take it, at an important time in all of our lives and in the history of the world. So please join us. Please join us and take this journey with us. We're really looking forward to working with you.
Thank you.